Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for the perfect summer accessory, check out this anklet.
Jemplestic store features this 100% sterling silver anklet. It has an extender and it's double stranded. One strand has the charms on it, which is an anchor and a stone at the top of that in the form of a heart, and then two ship wheels on either side. The second strand has these really cute, dainty sterling silver balls. I love the way that this really shines in the sunlight. I like that I can use this at the beach, in the pool. I don't have to worry about it tarnishing or turning my skin green. It is a great accessory to have during the summertime or all year round, perhaps even buying this as a gift. You can't go wrong with this. I've been really happy with this and I've been wearing it every day, so I would highly recommend.
And that is my point of view.